Hey guys, this is Nitin Pasricha and today we'll build heart failure prediction model using IBM Auto AI Service. So let's see the prerequisites before proceeding further and what are the steps we need to follow to complete this project. First, we need to collect the dataset, then we have to log in into the IBM account. There we have to create Watson Studio service, and after launching that service, we have to create project in it. And in that project, we have to add dataset, add Auto AI service to the project, create Watson machine learning instance. After that, we have to run the experiment. It will take a few minutes. That will train the model, and after that we have to deploy the model. And after that we have to build the UI for that project, and for that we have to create Node-RED service, and after launching the Node-RED service we have to integrate Node-RED to the model. After logging into your IBM cloud with your ID, you will be redirected to the dashboard and it will look like this. You have to create the services if you haven't created earlier. If you want to create Watson Studio service, you have to go to go to catalog and search there for Watson Studio and create that service. And after creating that service, it will be shown here in the services, in the resource summary. After clicking the resource services, you will be taken to this page. From there you have to select Watson Studio. After clicking on that, you will come onto this page and you have to click on get started. Your Watson Studio will be launched. After launching Watson Studio, you will be redirected to this page, and after that you have to click on create a project. Number of projects will appear. You have to click on create an empty project and add a name to it and create that project. Then you have to add Auto AI service to it. A new window will appear. From that you have to associate machine learning instance by clicking on associate service. Now you have to select machine learning instance and then click on associate service. And you have to add dataset to your project. Once your CSV file would be uploaded, a column will appear asking you about what you want to predict. You have to select a column which you want to predict. Here we have to predict the death event, so we will select that event, and then we will click on run the experiment. Once you will click on run the experiment, you will be taken to this page and this pipelines will appear. This will train your model. Once your experiment will be completed, you will see this message experiment completed. Then you have to scroll down the page and there you will see leaderboard. You have to select the topmost rank 1 with the star mark. When you will hover on it, you will see the option is save as. Click on save as button and save the model as it is. There you will see the option promote to deployment space. Click on that promote to deployment space and deploy the model. After creating deployment space, you have to deploy your model by clicking on these horizontal lines. You will see the option deployments. Under that you will click on view all spaces. After that you will be taken to this page, and from here you have to deploy your model. I have already deployed the model, so I am not getting that option here. When you hover on this line, you will get one flight type option. You have to click that option and then click on deploy. Your model will be deployed and you will be taken to this page. From here you can test your model by adding all the data and you can predict your result. Your prediction will show here. Now we have to create the UI. For that we have to launch Node-RED service. You can find Node-RED service under the Cloud Foundry app. By clicking on Cloud Foundry app, we will be taken to this page. From here we have to click on Node-RED service and we will be taken to this page. From here we have to click on visit app URL. Then we will be taken to this page. From here we will have to click on go to your Node-RED flow editor. Then we will be taken to this page. Here you can create your own flow or you can import any flow similar to this. If you imported the flow similar to the flow of your model, you have to change the variable name and API key, and in the second HTTP request node you have to change the URL. You have to change this URL. You will find this URL where you tested the model you deployed. Under this endpoint you are seeing this URL. This is the URL. You have to copy this and paste in that section. Then click on done. Then you have to click on deploy the model. After deploying, click on this arrow under this bar option. You will be taken to this page, and this is your UI for your model. Just enter the data and this will give you the prediction result here. That's it for now. Have a good day. Bye bye.